Good morning everyone, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. Today we're swinging up to the mod garage yet again. We're doing a bag install for my buddy KJ up there. Should be fun, a lot of people are coming up to kick it, hang out. I don't expect it to take too long, maybe like 6 to 7 hours to install his bags completely. We have a quick jack and everything like that up at the shop, so it should be relatively easy to get it on the car quick. But like, look at this. Like, I woke up this morning and like this crazy weird thunderstorm is coming through right now. Blows my mind. It's like you can't really like see the rain from inside, but it's like been pouring rain, thunder, and like crazy lightning going on out there. It's been nuts. I'm already running late, so I need to hit the road. Once I get up to the mod garage, we'll bust out the camera, we'll continue doing stuff, but there should be a lot of people up there and it should be a pretty fun day today. Yo, for the most part, it seems like the rain is like somewhat let up, but like, because of that waterfall right there. Yeah, it's not too bad right now. Thankfully, I walked out here earlier, I was like soaked immediately. I hear thunder still, so I don't think it's exactly over yet. Oh God, where's my keys to the VRZ? I need to get in it before it rains. Ugh. Camera's in. Oh my God, I put energy drinks on the seat, now my seat's all wet. Ugh. Hello BRZ, hello friend. Time to hit the road now. Hopefully this thunderstorm kind of stays at bay at least till we get up there, but hopefully it kind of kicks back up later because I kind of like thunderstorms. Oh, I'm a little late. Oh. Yes. So just got up to the shop. KJ's WX looks black. It's a black WX. I mean, not too much going on with it right now, but he has some nice works that we're gonna be throwing on it. The whole air suspension setup is like over there in all those boxes hiding. So the game plan kind of here is with all the other bag installs that I kind of do. Wiring first, airline second, struts, then throw it on the ground with the air kind of hooked up once everything is like working, so that way we can air it up and down, get everything tucked away looking nice. So that way it's not a huge mess of wires everywhere as we're going through this. Did you break a stud up here or are you just missing a lug nut? Broken. Oh, okay. It makes that wheel easier to take off, I guess. Right. So KJ was nice enough to get everyone some McDonald's for breakfast and some pizza for lunch, so I think we're gonna knock this out, start eating some of this food real quick, then get going on this bag install. Should be fun, shouldn't take too long. I've done I think this is my 7th or 8th bag install now. We're just gonna get everything kind of unboxed here, set up. I'm gonna start digging through the wiring in here, getting the wiring ran on the car. We'll probably just set those to the side for now until we get this box taken care of. But this is not gonna be like a full install video. I've done enough of these. If you guys wanna see any of them, go back to some of the previous videos. I'll link one of them like up here, somewhere like that, I don't know, somewhere on the screen. So we're just gonna get going through here. I'm gonna start digging through all this wiring stuff. What is this, 3P or 3H? 3P system? Easy. So all the wiring is ran essentially up to the point where we need to get up to the battery. The controller is already hooked up, so all the major wiring stuff is done at this point. We're getting the quick jacks thrown under the car so that way we can knock out the struts. We still need to get the tank thrown in the car, the compressors, there's 2 of them, so it shouldn't be too bad. We have to get these leader lines put onto these struts, which 5-minute job for all 4 of them. But so far, so good. We're getting this knocked out. So back in the trunk, all the wiring's just kind of skewed back here for now, but it's coming along, isn't it, KJ?
Yes, it is.
Woo!
Never been so excited.
Dude, you'll love it once it's on. Also, while I'm here, I think I might do some shopping too, because Brian's got a lot of good stuff in stock back here, and there's always something that I could use for one of the cars. Never know. Ooh, someone's car did not have a good time. Something blows up, it's your car. Look at that. Someone's engine did not have a good time. Dude, look at that battery.
Hey, man, hey. I'm giving it CPR, man.
Dude, you can't hide from the camera.
Hey, man. But the hood can.
There's no hiding. There's no secrets here.
Exposing me.
No secrets. Look at that. We're airborne.
See the other side's going up slower?
Yeah.
Hate this thing!
Is it angled?
It's going up sideways.
It looks pretty even from the front.
Oh, that little ting-ting is scaring me.
That's a lock.
Yeah, I see it. That's a ting-ting.
Lock it. Is the other side got the...
These things are so nice. The lock?
Oh, that's not all the way down.
Did you call that locked? I don't know if that's locked. These things are sketch, dude.
Yep.
I'm about to buy a set of these and these are sketch. It looks locked. I don't know what locked is considered on these.
I don't either.
I mean, it looks locked. Oh, sick. All right, let's get all the wheels up. Ah! Ah!
If I recall, you want to put them there too.
I did put those there, and I forgot they were there. All right, let's pull the wheels off and get some airliner in. So we've made some good progress on the car. All the electricals ran, all the airlines are ran. We're getting the struts pulled out. KJ had some of these HKS Hypermax in there. I'm not gonna pick them up just because I just washed my hands. So we're at the point where we're ready to throw the struts in, essentially get the trunk setup done, and then we should be pretty much just be done with the car at that point. Interior is all like reassembled, put back together. Ryan's knocking out, throwing off, or pulling off. We're just pulling off the rear diffuser. I think Brian's still hiding in his office, so I'm gonna go bug him. Still probably gonna go shopping today while I'm here.
No, I feel good. Hi, Tanner.
That's all I wanted. Thanks, Brian.
You're welcome.
He hates being on camera. So, Mindy also showed up, and Cheyenne. Whole bunch of people showed up. Christian, Tina, everyone's in the office hanging out, kind of eating pizza while we're knocking out this bag install. I am assuming everything's gonna work first try, but let's find out. So for the most part, we have the entire bag system set up. Wiring's done, air lines are ran, the wheels are on. We got the majority of the bag stuff done. The wiring's ran, the airlines are ran, the KFs are on. The fitment on them is a little aggressive. They poke out a little much, but we're gonna work with what we got here. So we're finishing up the trunk setup right now. All the airlines are just kind of hanging out back here, but we're using this like blonde wood. Would you call that like blonde wood?
Something like that.
I don't know. So we're using a 5-gallon air tank, 2 Via-Air compressors, getting the whole thing kind of done up. I stabbed myself with a screw, bled everywhere. No one makes me bleed my own blood, KJ. So we should be done with this probably in the next 20 minutes or so. Once we get this tank bolted up, we just got to get it thrown in the trunk, hook up the air lines, and give it a test. But overall, we're almost done. Almost done! This is the last thing we got to do, and then we got to hook up this one compressor because Airlift only sent us one of the adapters. So we needed like a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. They ran out everywhere trying to find one. You got one?
Here's the picture. You got one?
Where's it at?
Right
Here. Is that it?
Oh, let me see that. Let me see this. Oh, that should be the fitting we need. That should be, that looks bigger.
Oh, Jesus.
That's bigger than what we need.
You guys know how to weld?
Check inside the car.
Dude, I would just get the fitting from Airlift or from Bag Riders. What is that one?
What? We got
What? What? Open that! So what is this? This is 1/2 inch to 3/8? Not exactly what we needed, I guess. Watch that be the one.
So what is this one?
Probably the one we need.
3/8 to 1/4. Yeah, that's funny.
Isn't that what I said the first time?
You said the first
That's what I said the first time! All right, so 3/8 to 1/4 inch.
That'll go in.
Okay, perfect.
Yes. I like it.
Well, we have an extra for something. We solid though. We have the good one. We're set up. All right, PTFE tape. Let's throw that guy on there. Get everything kind of bolted down. Get this guy in the trunk. I'm gonna throw this over on the table over here. All right, let's start it. See if it works. So key and ignition. This guy should power on. It does. Ah! Start it. So we're gonna let this run for a minute. Check pressure after it's done filling up, and then we'll check for any leaks in the system. Let's see what happens now. So when we shut the car off, it was at about 88 PSI. So let's turn it back on. Compressor's gonna kick on. Oh, we're at 90, perfect. It's so loud. Compressor's so loud. You're loud. What? So far, everything's looking solid, dude. Nothing's dropping pressure. Probably gonna get everything to about 80 PSI. Yo, everything looks so good. All right, let's set the car down.
What?
Let's set her down.
Okay, I saw that one.
I got pressure in the bags. So we have about 80 PSI in each bag right now. Everything is holding, we're not losing any pressure. So we should be solid. We might have gotten it on the first try, my dude. I got 80 PSI in each bag, so.
Just hold.
This is nerve-wracking, dude. It's on its own, KJ.
Woo! Right now.
Should we pull out the quick jacks? KJ, go get the other one. KJ, your car's bagged. I'm gonna do a manual calibration because I have no idea if your stuff's gonna clear. You know, that exhaust hose back there was blasting me as it was calibrating. I'm gonna lower the fronts. How much wheel gap do we have? All right, tell me when I can stop. Are we good? Is that like aired out or driving height?
That's like on the tire.
Okay, what about the rears? Now watch the rears. So that's at 40 and 40 front, 45 rear.
You got a little space.
Oh, dude, you could air this all the way out. Oh, no, you can't. You're gonna have to add some camber on there.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to camber that, dude.
Yep, it is.
Yep. Or roll and pull the fenders. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's close.
Oh, that's good. No pressure leaks or anything. So all we really have left to do is get the rear carpet panels thrown back in here, and it's pretty much done at this point. It's good though. Passed pressure check, passed everything. Let's get it all like commingled back up. All right, we are wrapping up here. I'm heading out. Got the backpack on. I did end up buying stuff. Got, oh, we got, please don't fall. Some WeatherTech floor mats for the STI. I just didn't want to leave empty-handed, to be honest. So bought some floor mats. Didn't have them anyway, so it's nice to have them. So we're gonna jet out of here. I'm gonna be back up here on Wednesday, helping to do some more installs. It'll be fun. We'll bring the camera. We'll do this again if I like the way this video kind of came out. But I'm gonna jump in the BRZ, head back to the house, go bug Melanie a little bit, and I will close the video out once I get back there. But pretty successful, pretty chill day. Ryan's super cool, dude.
Hey.
Mod Garage has a lot of parts in stock if you guys are looking, like racks upon racks. Unfortunately, nothing I need right now, but they are gonna be stocking more stuff, so I'm gonna hop in the BRZ, head back down to the house. I'm actually gonna go bug Brian first, because he loves the camera.
He does. Oh, please tell me on camera, Tanner. Yes, I love the camera.
Yeah, you do.
Hi, people.
Be the camera, be the ball.
The man, the legend himself.
Oh, yes. So, like I said, we'll recap when I get back down to the house, but overall, pretty successful, pretty fun day. So it is the next day. I didn't like the original outro that I shot for the video. It just felt weird. So I do have some updates for you guys that I do want to share with you now before waiting for another video or anything like that. The turbo kit for the BRZ has been ordered and I am stoked. I did end up going with the MA Performance turbo kit on the BRZ. That car is going to be stupid fast when we're done with it. It's probably going to be quicker than the STI just for power to weight. Woo! I am excited. So I ended up getting everything. I'm gonna make a whole separate video kind of going over the game plan for the BRZ, what parts we have coming in for it, how much wheel horsepower and torque I'm expecting the car to make. So it should be a fun time. But with that, I did just want to reshoot this to give you guys that update as well, and we'll have that separate video coming up, just kind of detailing everything that we're going to be doing for the BRZ. But with that, you guys know what to do. If you like the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, turn it blue. Kind of like the Subaru, but it's out in the garage right now and we in the office, so I don't really have anything blue in here to point at. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, which I would greatly appreciate it if you were, you can do that in this corner up like here today. And with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!